In this video, we are going to learn how to configure your data collector execution engines in Control Hub. In order to configure your data collector, first select a deployment and then click Edit. Click Save and Next on the first screen, and then click the Advanced Configuration link. The configuration window opens, and the default tab is for your data collector configuration. On this page, you can configure the way your data collector behaves. There are dozens of different settings you can change on this page. You will need to read the StreamSets documentation for full descriptions of each setting you can change. For our purposes, we are going to provide an outline of the different areas you can configure and show you how to make these changes. You can change your data collector configuration in 3 ways. One way is to uncomment a setting so it becomes active. You can also add a comment hash to a setting to disable it. Lastly, you can change the values of any setting as needed. Remember that the changes only go into effect after you click Save. The Data Collector configuration page provides settings for HTTP configuration, key store and trust store files, authentication, Kerberos, thresholds for various parameters, SMTP configuration, library paths, whitelist and blacklist settings, and various other configuration settings and options. To accurately configure your organization's data collector, make sure to read through the StreamSets documentation. Navigate to the StreamSets documentation homepage. From there, click Data Collector. Navigate to Configuration, then Data Collector Configuration, and finally Configuring Data Collector. This documentation will help you understand what settings can be changed and what parameters are available for each setting. All settings, including those disabled by default, are explained in the documentation. Later on, we'll practice configuring our data collector, along with changing other settings, in the lab at the end of this section. Now you know where to go to look up information and configure your data collector. See you in our next video.